right, and the Ottis Racing reverse lockout kits are in, and I'm finally excited to have them because this has been a huge pain in the butt because I'm working with obsolete parts, and these are actually the OEM parts. So when you get a kit, you're getting exactly what's in the PRB ECU. You're getting the exact reverse lockout kit, exact parts. These are obsolete, every single one of them pretty much. So it was very difficult to put a kit. It's easy to swap parts because you're swapping parts. It's a brain dead work. You're not actually thinking. This right here to put together a kit was extremely difficult, but I got them. I only have 9 kits right now, but this is what you're getting right here. You're getting automotive grade resistors. I labeled them 1 and 2. So the 1 is the 101 and then the 2 is the 102. And then you have a transistor, you have 2 diodes, and then you have your reverse lockout chip. And I'm finally glad to be able to release this to you guys because it's been a massive hurdle. I did have to order them from China, but they came from Japan, and then they had them in China. They were basically like holding them there. And yeah, China has OEM parts too. So my next project after this will be this chip right here. I'm gonna hack it and get the bin file out of it, and then we'll go from there.